Hi, I'm Dr. Josh Axe, co-founder of Ancient Nutrition and founder of draxe.com. In this video, I want to share with you a therapy I've started personally using, and I cannot believe the results I've seen in my body. And it's infrared therapy I started using with TheraLight 360. Now, infrared therapy is very different than maybe the red light that you've ever seen in something like a sauna. This type of light is very similar than what you're getting from the sun, only in a more concentrated therapeutic type of dose. And I started noticing a difference I was sleeping better at night. My energy went up. I could even tell a difference in my testosterone levels and the strength in my body. And so light therapy and infrared light really works by it accelerates your healing. It can boost your energy, reduce inflammation, reduce pain. But here's really how it works. It helps reduce oxidative stress and boost something in your body called nitric oxide. Now, oxidative stress happens very similar to when you take a big bite out of an apple. When you take a bite out of an apple, it starts to turn brown. That's oxidative stress, and it's also really what causes your body to age. Now, what infrared therapy does, infrared light therapy, it kind of acts like lemon juice. You never see if you put lemon juice on an apple or avocado that keeps it from turning brown, the vitamin C and some of the acid in there actually keeps it from aging or oxidizing. This light bed does a very similar thing. And so if you want to take or use the most powerful anti-aging, light in the world, this is where you're going to get it from, is infrared light. And infrared light is powerful for so many ways. Now, listen to this. On this type of light, there are over 4,000 studies and 550 systemic reviews really looking at the benefits here. In fact, there are 30 new published studies coming out a month on the benefits of infrared light therapy. And the reason why it's so powerful is the technology you're going to find in this light bed. By the way, there are a lot of different infrared lights out there, and most of them are really not that effective. And the reason is they're not penetrating deeply enough into the body, and they're only using one or two wavelengths. This is using 4 different ones, but it's important that the light you're using is getting very, very deep in the body. This light bed was actually created following the innovation of what are known as Class 4 lasers. Class 4 lasers, you can put them on an area and it greatly reduces inflammation. I've done it and noticed a difference in the way my joints feel, the way my body heals in an area. They've been used for things like wound healing. That exact type of technology is being used in this light bed only. Hey, check this out. This is going to blow you away. This has over 45,000 LED lights. So not one, 45,000. You can see how bright and powerful this light bed gets. It is really, really strong. All that being said, when you have this natural light flooding into your body, what happens is because it gets so deeply into your body, it goes into your cells, which then helps repair it, an area of what's known as your mitochondria. So actually this light gets into your cells, your mitochondria, your body starts producing, it creates more blood flow via nitric oxide or NO2, which allows areas of your body to heal more quickly. So listen, if you're a person out there and you're saying to yourself, okay, I want to balance my hormones. I want to support testosterone production. I want to age slower. I want to reduce inflammation. I want to lessen chronic pain. And generally speaking, as I already said, you want to just heal faster and sleep better. This light bed has worked wonders for me, and I've been using it. I've recommended it to pro athletes. I've been recommending it to doctors. In fact, a few doctors I know who practice functional medicine, both chiropractors and MDs, have started using these beds in their clinic and seeing phenomenal results. And so listen, if you're a person saying, hey, I want to heal faster and you want to use the best of the best, then hey, check this out. TheraLight 360. This specific light bed by this company in all of my months of research is the most powerful type of infrared light. And again, the pro athletes are using it, high functioning medical doctors and other functional medicine physicians. And so again, just want to let you know, hey, I highly recommend using infrared light therapy if you want to speed your healing and transform your health.